Intelligent speed control is a system combining the functions of active cruise control with the traffic sign recognition system, suggesting automatic speed adjustment to the driver based on the speed limits detected from traffic signs. The system uses a radar sensor positioned on the front bumper and a video camera positioned at the top of the windscreen to detect road signs giving speed limits. To enable the system, go to the Driver Assistance on the touchscreen display. Then select Traffic Sign Recognition and Intelligent Speed Control. Lastly, press the Active Cruise Control button to set the desired cruising speed. A white symbol will appear on the display, which will become green when the speed has been set. Once a new speed limit has been detected, an arrow suggests changing the set cruising speed, inviting the driver to do so using the Active Cruise Control lever. A green circle will appear around the icon indicating the speed limit. From this moment, the vehicle will continue at the new detected speed limit.